All right, hey boys and girls, English. We are doing a research topic. So this is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be looking at page 343 and 344. I want us to go ahead and flip over to the back and pay attention to what it's asking. I'm going to give you a website called National Geographic Kids, and you're going to be able to type in your animal, and you're going to fill out these little index cards, okay? What does the look like? Well, you all chose an animal. So remember, Miss Hearn chose lion. So I'm in this blank right here. I'm going to write in, what does the lion look like? So in all the top ones, that's your animal is going to go at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that part in. What does the lion look like? Where does the lion live? And what does the lion eat? So now that we have this, you'll be able to pull this up on your computer. We're going to go to National Geographic Kids right here, okay? So Miss Hearn's going to flip the camera around, and you're not going to be able to see her, but you'll be able to see her computer screen. I'm going to go up here to the yellow search. Do you see where it says search? Okay, I'm going to click that. Sorry, I'm not able to see. Okay, it's taking just a minute. And right here, I have a little search spot right here. So in that, I'm going to type in my animal, typing in lion, and I'm going to click the magnifying glass so it will search for me. Okay, underneath, when it's finished, all of this information is going to come up about different types of lions. Notice that it's Wacky Wednesday, Wildcats, Moment of Snooze. There's lots of different things. 10 cool reasons to save lions because lions are becoming endangered. There's a California sea lion, so notice it's finding all the things with the word lion, mountain lion, but I'm looking for the African lion. Okay, and that one's going to be right here, my top search. So I'm going to use this website to give all of my information about what the lion looks like. And notice my word ferociousness, and Miss Hearn did not spell it right, okay, is in there. So as we go through this, it says, what does the lion look like? So here's some information right here already for me. This tells me how big the head and body is, the tail, inches, and how much it weighs. Okay, so those are things that I can write right here on my numbers. Sorry, I'll do it like this. On my numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 if I wanted to. And then I could write its head, how big its head is, how big in feet and body. I can write how long its tail is on number 2, and how many inches on number 3. And on number 4, I could write that they weigh anywhere from 265 to 420 pounds is what it's telling me right here. Now, I got all that information before I even read any of the articles. So I'm going to go on down through the article a little bit. So next, you would fill out, where does the lion live? Well, the first paragraph of mine says that they can live in things such as called prides. I see that right here on my first paragraph. So that's different. Not all animals live in groups. So a pride is like their group. So, and it's as big as 40 lions. So that would be like my first part to write on number 1, prides. And then I also know, let's see, if I go on down, it shows me a picture of where they live, and they live on the continent of Africa, and all the yellow is where they actually live in Africa. So my line number 2 would say Africa. Okay, so I would just keep finding information. And I would do the same thing looking for things that they eat. Now, the little green box up at the top told me that lions are carnivores. It tells me that right here. Carnivores means that they eat meat. Okay, they don't eat any vegetables. They only eat meat. So that would be one information. And I would scroll on down. So I'd write that in right there. And I would scroll on down. Now, here's what you're going to put for title and author. You're going to put the website that Miss Hearn sent you to as where you get your information. So everywhere that it says title and author, write in the website. It would be kids.nationalgeographic .com/animals/ all that. Miss Hearn is going to write in every part, make sure that you can see it, of this web address right here. Okay, I'm typing in every part of that web, I'm writing in every part of that web address. Okay, so that's how we're going to find all our information. Everybody's getting it from the Kids National Geographic website. You're going to write where you get it from, that website, and you're going to look for things, what they look like, where they live, and what they eat. Don't make it hard, boys and girls. If you think it's an interesting fact and it has something to do with what they look like, live, and what they eat, write it down, because I really want to hear and see all of this stuff. Bye.